In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Jira password and recover access to your Atlassian account. If you're trying to start your day, jump into a sprint board, or check your backlog and suddenly hit a login failure screen, don't worry. Losing access to your account can be frustrating, but the recovery process is straightforward and secure. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back into Jira without unnecessary delays. First, open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, go to the address bar at the top and type in id.atlassian.com. If your organization normally uses a direct Atlassian site, you can also go to your company's Atlassian URL instead. Then press enter to load the sign-in page. When the Atlassian login screen appears, don't try to sign in right away if you already know the password isn't working. Instead, look just below the main sign-in area for the link that says "Can't log in." Click that link once to begin the account recovery process. The page will then update and show an email address field. Click into that box and enter the email address associated with your Atlassian account. Make sure you type it carefully so the recovery email goes to the right inbox. After that, click the button labeled Send Recovery Link. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message from Atlassian. This email usually arrives quickly, but if you don't see it right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the message and click the Reset Password link inside. That link will take you back to Atlassian in a new browser tab or window where you'll be asked to create a new password. Click in the new password field and enter a strong password that follows common security best practices. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click into the Confirm New Password field and type the same password again carefully. Once both fields match, click Reset Password to save the change. After that, Atlassian should sign you back in or return you to the product launcher. From there, open Jira software and go into the project, sprint board, or workspace you normally use, and take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks normal, including your project boards, filters, sidebar, and profile access. Once that's done, your account recovery is complete and you're ready to get back to work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.